is one of the oldest.
We are going to have some spicy shawarma. It's melting in my mouth. Wow.
So here we are taking this small alley which
So finally we came to Abra. So we need to refresh ourselves. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing today? Here we are passing by Deira clock tower. Guys, you can see.
Yes, this is one of the oldest iconic structures in Dubai. It's well known for. It's well known to represent Dubai.
Yeah. So today we are going to do some special episode. Hope you guys are going to enjoy that. So let's see. Okay. Today I am here at Deira. So we are going to have some spicy shawarma, Arabic shawarma. Yes. So today we are here at Wejdan. So we came to order shawarma, spicy and normal. Last name. Hi. Can I have one spicy and one normal shawarma?
Dining takeaway.
Dining. Yeah.
So we are just watching the shawarma chef preparing the shawarmas. It's quite interesting, and you feel hungry already. The orangey one is the spicy shawarma, and on the right side is the normal one. So if you like it bit spicy, you should try the spicy one.
It's a shawarma chef.
Yeah, layers and layers of boneless chicken getting marinated to give a great shawarma taste for us. Yummy.
Look at. You can see. Finally, I got my two shawarmas. One is spicy, one is normal. So with that, I got some pickles and one Sprite too. So let's do it. Let's see what's the taste. I'm going to try first spicy. Because we like spicy. Bismillah. Yeah, it's luscious, meaty, and succulent. It's melting in my mouth. Wow, it's very crunchy and juicy, and some spicy taste in it. We ordered chicken shawarma. So we'll try the normal one, which is not spicy. Total different taste. You can see the real meat taste on this. That's why we always used to come here to have the best shawarma in Wejdan. Some people. So Sprite and shawarma giving like a Sri Lankan feeling right now, because I can tell like it's a kottu and pork. Wow.
So you also call this the Abra station. Abra boat station.
So finally we came to Abra, so we need to refresh ourselves. I need to walk because it's a little bit humid.
So here we are taking this small alley which is gonna take us to the Abra station.
Look at that.
Oh, I can see some complimentary water and
Coffee.
coffee as well.
Yes.
Arabic coffee.
Because they kept water there because the weather.
Yeah, it's so hot and you feel so thirsty. Here we are at the Bur Dubai Abra station.
Yes. You can see the boats.
This is the modern station, you can say. Previously it used to be more like a small boat station. Yeah, like
But they developed this area to
Yeah.
make it easy for
yeah, the RTA.
yes, they
'Cause
make it easy for all
previously-
the tourists.
Yeah. So here we are now at the entrance.
Abra station, so we are going to take a boat ride. Come join with us. You can see around me right now. This is right Abra Dubai.
Yeah, it costs you like just 1 dirham to cross from Bur Dubai to Deira Dubai. Yeah.
So, can you tell me how do you feel like this kind of travel in the Amazon River?
How do you feel this kind of traveling in Sri Lanka now?
Sri Lanka, yes, of course, indeed.
So I think we have to think about that. So this boat ride takes us from Bur Dubai to Deira Dubai, where the Gold Souq is. So if you just take this boat ride, you are literally on the Grand Souq, where you'll find the Gold Souq Deira. That is the Dubai Creek side. You can see the buildings. It's such a picturesque sight. The moon above us, the dark water below us, the breeze. A bit
Yeah.
of breeze is there.
I'm holding her hand. Quite interesting, beautiful ride. Wow, such a great moment.
So we are coming towards the last seconds of our 1-2 minutes ride.
Yeah.
Maximum, right?
Yes.
Didn't take much, but it was very,
It's very beautiful
enjoyable.
ride. Yeah, enjoyable. Yes. Guys, if you come to Dubai, you should take this experience. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Stay safe. See you next video.